Hey guys, I was just gonna give you a quick update on my rotator cuff surgery. So I'm 8 months post-op, or not 8 months, 8 weeks. So 2 months total post-op, and so far my shoulder is getting much. Like the flexibility is really good when I'm facing the wall. Getting my arms straight up and down. I can almost get it all the way. Not to the side is a little tighter. But all of a sudden I feel like it's getting like much more, flexible, and I'm really shocked at how tight everything is from being in that sling. They gave me like a 1 pound weight where I can do some circles, laying on my back, hold my arms straight up. That was like the extent of the, um, you know, resistance I can push against the wall a little bit. So all of a sudden, it just seemed like the physical therapist gave me a whole bunch of other stuff, like strengthening exercises, and it was like a big jump. So I'm really excited. So for those of you that are in the sling, for me it felt like forever. I can't do anything, and then you want to, but you don't want to damage the repair. So I plan on getting in the swimming pool. As soon as they let me, and that's helped me get over a couple other injuries that I've had in the past. It's low impact, good for your heart and lungs. So, yeah, I would just want to encourage you guys to continue, listening to your therapist. Everybody's going to be at a different recovery rate. I'm 48, but I've also been through a lot of other recovery stuff, so I know, you just gotta like kind of go slow, and then once they give you the green light. But I do want to share that the swimming pool has really helped me. In the past, I broke my right arm really bad a long, long time ago. I had like 7 surgeries on it, and the pool helped me a lot. And I was not a swimmer when that happened. So what I did was I bought a snorkel and mask and fins. So I have a set of, essentially like snorkeling equipment, and you can get in the pool, and you don't have to worry about, are you going to drink a gallon of pool water because you're not a swimmer. You can just concentrate on your stroke, and it's a great way to. It was actually probably one of the best shape I've ever been in my life. Was I think I was swimming like 5 times a week, and doing 200 sit-ups, um, probably 3 or 4 times a week, and I'd go in and swim for an hour, just back and forth. And you're gonna cruise across the pool if you put the flippers on. You're gonna have a snorkel and mask. You're not gonna have to worry about turning your head, or are you gonna have enough oxygen? And if you don't have a pool to swim at, I mean, I think I'm a big believer that if you buy a gym membership, you're really investing in yourself. I don't see that as an expense, because you're investing in yourself. So treat yourself to that for a few months. Um, as you come out of your recovery, obviously follow the whatever the doctor says. My doctor said I could not swim until 4 months post-op. Excuse me. So I have like 2 months to go. I'm used to being pretty active, and this has been pretty hard for me. Just walking, or I mean, I can only do the leg press so many times. I mean, before it's boring. I did some hiking. I've been walking. Um, so I just want to encourage you guys. Like once you can do it, I think the pool, plus like the full range of motion, for a swimming stroke, um, it's probably really gonna help strengthen that shoulder back up. It's gonna be low resistance because you're just pushing your arm through water. And again, follow whatever your doctor says and your therapist. But overall, I just wanted to share. I'm really excited. My shoulder's getting better. I'm still under restriction. I'm not supposed to be picking up more than like a milk jug. Uh, or my doctor told me a milk jug was too heavy. like a gallon of milk. So I've been being pretty careful, not to pick up anything too heavy. Um, so I just want to encourage you guys, like, you'll get through whatever, the sling was pretty rough, though. I'm sure for those of you that are in a sling, you're like, oh gosh, how many days is it? Like every day at 2 o'clock, I was like, okay, I'm halfway through this day, I'm almost to the next day. So, guys, be encouraged and you'll get your strength back. Just take it one day at a time, and good luck with your recovery.